All right, Mr. Derry here, Thursday night, taking a look at doing some coding in TinkerCAD. So I created this, or actually I opened this up in TinkerCAD. Before, I just want to show you how I got here. This is kind of cool. So all I did is under components here, I clicked Arduino, and there's all these pre-built items that you can play around with. I'm just going to delete this and pull it back in again. Um, so I'm going to grab this servo guy and pull it in here, and they've got it all wired and all set up. And this is our Arduino with a power supply, and this is our servo. If I hit start simulation, you can see that this thing is turning. So somebody wired and programmed this Arduino to move this servo. Well, what does that look like? If I hit the code button here, you can see that the code is currently in block form, which makes it a little bit easier for folks who are just getting started. But for the folks who are more experienced with coding, you can switch it from blocks. If you click up here, oops, I'm clicking in the wrong. Okay, in order to switch from blocks to text, you need to stop the simulation. You can't switch in the middle here. So stop your simulation, then you can switch to text. And you can see this is what the code looks like, in a written out format. So go ahead, toy around, play around tonight. Pull in some of these pre-coded Arduinos, take a look at the code. For those folks who are brand new to it, maybe you could do a little lesson. There's all kinds of YouTube lessons out there on doing this. For those who are experienced, that this is their language, go ahead and write your own code. Edit the code. Maybe you can start there. Change it from position 180 to 90 and see what happens to the code as you make the changes. Have fun.